In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create purchase orders in Zoho Books. This process is essential for maintaining smooth financial operations and keeping your business organized. So let's get started. First, you need to navigate to your Zoho Books dashboard. This is the central hub where you can manage all your financial activities. Once you're in the dashboard, look for the Purchases section. It's easy to find. You'll see it on the main menu. Clicking on it will take you to all the transactions related to buying goods and services for your business. Next, click on the Purchase Orders option. This will direct you to a page where you can manage and review all your existing purchase orders. Now we want to create a new purchase order, so go ahead and click on the Create New Purchase Order button. This is where the real fun begins. You'll now be prompted to select a vendor. This is the person or company from whom you're purchasing goods or services. If your vendor isn't listed, you can add them right here, ensuring your records are up to date. Next, navigate to the Delivery Address section. Here, you'll notice an option to select a customer by clicking on a checkbox. This can be particularly useful if you're ordering on behalf of a client or if the items need to be delivered directly to them. Once you've selected a customer, it's time to enter the purchase order details. This is the part where you type in what the purchase order should be about, including any reference numbers or special instructions if needed. After entering the purchase order details, take a moment to choose a date for this order. You can simply click on the date field and a calendar will pop up for you to select the appropriate date. This helps avoid any potential misunderstandings regarding the timing of your order. Similarly, you'll want to specify a delivery date. This ensures you're clear about when you expect the vendor to deliver the goods or services. Following this, it's crucial to decide on the payment terms. Payment terms dictate how and when you will pay the vendor, so choose what best suits your financial arrangement. Now, let's focus on the item table. This section is where you can specify the products or services you're ordering. You can add items, specify quantities, and even mention pricing details. It's vital to ensure that this information is accurate, as it will be used for both your inventory management and budgeting processes. Last but not least, review everything one more time for accuracy. Once you're confident all the details are correct, go ahead and click on Save and Send. By doing this, you not only save your purchase order, but also send it to your vendor, setting everything in motion. And that's it! You've successfully created a purchase order in Zoho Books. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.